Hello and welcome to Kaun Banega Smart Buyer. In this video, we are here to show you the best hair curlers that you can buy in the market. On the spot 5 in our list, we have Havells 7mm Thin Chopstick Curler. The Havells 7mm Thin Chopstick Curler is a ceramic coated hair curling iron with a voltage of 220 to 240 watt with a frequency of 500 to 60 Hz. It consumes 25 watt of power and also features an advanced element with PTC heating. The power cord of this hair curler is 1.8mm long and also includes a safety stand. A hanging loop is also included so you can store it conveniently. The tip of the curler is built in such a way that it will remain cool at all times to avoid any accident or injury. This hair curler takes up to 60 seconds to heat up completely, which means you do not have to wait too long before you can start curling your hair. The rectangular barrel of this hair curler is 7 into 10mm, which results in tight curls that can last longer. The price of this hair curler is 1349 rupees approximately, and you can check the link in the description. On the spot 4 in our list, we have Philips hair curler. The Philips hair curler is one of the best curling iron with a barrel diameter of 1.6 cm. An LED light blinks to indicate that the device is heated and now ready for use. This hair curling iron for long hair also features a swivel cord that ensures wires do not get tangled, and this acts as a safety feature as well. This hair curler is ideal for medium to long hair length and requires 110 to 220 volt and consumes 440 watt. If you are looking for a bouncy curls, then this ceramic hair curler can give you the results you are looking for. The ceramic coat of the wand adds gloss and shine to your hair so you can look full of life and glamorous. The barrel has a diameter of 16mm, which is ideal for quick use. The curling iron can be heated up to 200 degrees Celsius and guarantees optimum results with minimal damage of hair. The price of this curling iron is 1740 rupees approximately, and you can check the link in the description. On the spot 3 in our list, we have Vega Long Curl Hair Curler. The Vega Long Curl Hair Curler is one of the best hair curler machines that is pocket friendly. It comes with chrome plates that are coated with ceramic for excellent heat and style output. The tip of the curler is insulated and will never get hot, so your hands are protected at all times. The grip on the handle is made up of rubber and is comfortable to hold throughout the long process of curling your hair. The curls that you create from this hair curler are smooth and bouncy with a lustrous shine. The long length of the barrel helps you save time, especially if you have very long hair. This hair curler also features a special swivel at the base of the barrel that rotates completely so that the power cord does not get tangled. It also features a safety stand so that even if you place the hot curler on a wooden table, it will not damage the surface. The price of this hair curler is 1439 rupees approximately, and you can check the link in the description. On the spot 2 in our list, we have Agaro Chopstick Hair Curler. The Agaro Chopstick Hair Curler is coated with a ceramic to ensure even hair distribution throughout the barrel for faster curling of longer hair. This chopstick style hair curler includes an LED light indicator that turns on when the machine is plugged into power and is heated for use. Curl your hair with this curling iron when your hair is completely dry, and make sure to never apply any serum on product and hair before curling it. The hair curling iron also comes with a 2-year warranty by the manufacturer. The price of this hair curling iron is 749 rupees approximately, and you can check the link in the description. Finally, on the spot 1 on our list, we have Rosia Chopstick Hair Curler. The Rosia Chopstick Hair Curler is one of the best curling irons in India. Whether you have super straight and fine hair or if you have coarse hair texture, this hair curling wand has the ability to give you rich curls that can last for days if you do not wash your hair. Get professional like curled hair within just a few minutes using this hair curler that has a 1.5mm long cord, which is 40% longer than a similar device. This means you can plug the curler into your room and even curl your hair while you stand in front of your mirror in the bathroom. The cord also rotates at 360 degrees so that the long wire never gets tangled. This hair dryer is at a cost of 699 rupees approximately, and you can check the link in the description. That's it for the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kaun Banega